Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about this little pouch here. This has 16 mini lipsticks. This is by the brand Just Herbs. So if you know Just Herbs, it's a skincare and hair care brand. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि they had their lipstick range. Like actually उनके 2-3 makeup products है. आज के day पे when I'm filming this video, they have 2 to 3 makeup products. So I was literally staying under the rock. I had no idea that they had makeup. Actually, one of you guys requested me to review these lipsticks. So I went ahead and searched for this lipstick on Nykaa and I did find the bigger version of these lipsticks. And I just went ahead and searched for the same lipstick on their official website, and there I discovered this kit. And this kit retails for 575 rupees only. So I thought it will be very good for me to swatch all the shades for you guys. So I went ahead and placed order for this kit. So this kit has 16 mini lipsticks and we are going to talk about these lipsticks in detail. So if you are interested in knowing how the lipsticks in this small pouch performs, then please continue watching. But before that, if you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so that you get notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. Now let's get into the video. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a small pouch like this which says Just Herbs Pure Bespoke Ayurvedic. So actually this is supposed to be an Ayurvedic lipstick which is clean, like which is free from harsh chemicals. यहाँ पे पीछे they have given all the details. मैं picture insert कर दूंगी इसका. They have mentioned the key ingredients and also the other ingredients, and the ingredients are quite clean. Like बहुत सारे oils है. It is cruelty free, guys. This is made in India, and India में you cannot test on animals. So made in India products are always cruelty free. This is cruelty free, free from parabens. Packaging पे manufacturer दिया है, expiry दिया है. The shelf life is 3 years, but if you open the lipstick, you'll have to finish it in 6 months. Because guys, ये preservative free है, so इसमें preservatives नहीं है. So अगर आप उसको open करते हो, तो it may go bad in 6 months. So open करने के बाद you'll have to finish it up in 6 months. So yeah, that's pretty much it. पीछे सिर्फ उतना ही detail दिया है. So when you open it up, this is what the lipsticks looks like. All the 16 lipsticks are like just housed in this small little pouch. ये mini वाला जो kit है, it is only available in justherbs.in, and other than that it is available on Nykaa and Amazon I believe, and बाकी अगर कोई website पे available रहेगा तो मैं screen पे mention कर देती हूँ. This mini kit is available only in their official website like justherbs.in, and I placed the order. As soon as I placed the order, I received a confirmation mail saying that the order is being confirmed, and एक हफ्ते तक मुझे कुछ भी उनसे mail नहीं आया कि ship हुआ है क्या है, कुछ भी नहीं. And I was a bit concerned कि ये मेरे तक पहुंचेगा या नहीं, and I did send mail to them कि भाई parcel का क्या हुआ, what happened to my parcel. They replied me after I think 2 days saying that the parcel will reach you in 4 days, and after that it reached me in 4 to 5 days. So literally it took 2 weeks for this kit to reach me. And also this has this small little card. This has a coupon code. If I purchase for 1195, I'll get discount of 575. मतलब in short, अगर मैं एक और order place करती हूँ for 1195, this kit was almost free for me. So yeah, but उसके लिए मुझे order place करना पड़ेगा. 45 days from the day of delivery जो हो चुका है. So I think this is best now. So yeah, those are the packaging and everything. Let me show you one bullet. This is what the bullet looks like. So ये packaging बहुत छोटा. I was expecting these lipstick to be mini ones, but after receiving the parcel, I realized that these are micro mini trial kit. So these lipsticks are really very small. It is literally smaller than my pinky का nail. It is really very very small, and क्योंकि ये packaging बहुत छोटा है, उन्होंने सिर्फ इस पे नंबर दिया है. So they do have names and numbers, and the names are very interesting, guys. The names are given behind some women, like there are some influencers, there are some other professionals, and उन्होंने अपने website पे clearly दिया है why that particular lipstick is given the name of that particular woman. So it was very interesting for me to read it. So you can go ahead and check out on their website. These are available in 2 sizes, actually 3 sizes if I include this. Micro mini तो है ही, माइक्रो मिनी सिर्फ उनके ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स पे अवेलेबल है. एंड दे डू हैव वन फुल साइज लिपस्टिक विच रिटेल्स फॉर 750 rupees, एंड रिसेंटली दे हैव लॉन्च्ड वन हाफ साइज लिपस्टिक विच रिटेल्स फॉर 495 rupees. आफ्टर ओपनिंग 6 months की उनका लाइफ है. सो आई थिंक हाफ साइज इज रियली अ गुड आइडिया. लाइक इफ यू आर समवन हु हैज अ लॉट ऑफ लिपस्टिक एंड यू नो दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फिनिश अप अ फुल साइज लिपस्टिक, you can go ahead and purchase the half size one if you like the shade, the formula, or if you're someone who is into Ayurvedic lipsticks, like you want some lipstick that is not harmful, then you can definitely go ahead and buy the half size one if you think that you will not finish up the full size one. Let's talk about the formula of this lipstick. I have this bullet in my hand and I'm going to swatch it just at the back of my hand. This is what the swatch of it looks like. This is not single swipe opaque application, guys. If you have pigmented lips, it's not going to cover up the pigmentation in one swipe. You have to apply it at least 2 to 3 times to get that opaque finish. And also these are not matte lipsticks, these are creamy mattes. When you apply it, they are creamy, like you can see on my lips, they do have some shine, and after an hour or so they just settle down matte. धीरे धीरे matte में settle होते हैं, but still they are not completely matte. These are very comfortable on the lips and these are not transfer proof. They do transfer, like they keep on transferring. And if you see, मेरे lips से भी वो काफी हद तक फेड ऑफ हो चुका है, so I'll have to reapply it. They do transfer and transfer होते वक्त ये थोड़ा सा निकल भी जाते हैं, and they do not stain your lips if you take them off. The lasting power on these lipsticks is around 3 to 4 hours, not more than that, guys. These are creamy lipsticks, so I cannot expect these to be long lasting. If you eat or drink anything, they are going to go away. And the best part is they leave evenly. ऐसा weird way में नहीं निकलता है कि सिर्फ center से निकला धीरे धीरे spread हुआ. No, they are not going to dry out your lips. They are very comfortable. You can layer these lipsticks, guys. Layering is not at all a problem. क्रीमी लिपस्टिक है तो लेयरिंग पे कुछ भी इशू नहीं होता है. इफ यू ईट और ड्रिंक एनीथिंग, दीज आर गोइंग टू कम ऑफ, बट दे लीव इवनली. दे डू नॉट लीव इन अ वियर्ड वे कि सेंटर से निकला एंड धीरे धीरे स्प्रेड हुआ. दे डू नॉट सेटल इन फाइन लाइंस. दे आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन द लिप्स. लेट्स सी द स्वॉचेस ऑफ दीज लिपस्टिक्स नाउ. उसके बाद वी विल कंटिन्यू अबाउट दीज लिपस्टिक्स मोर. planning to get these lipsticks, then I would suggest you to get the half size, because guys, open करने के 6 महीने के बाद you are going to go bad. तो I think half size is something जो आप 6 महीने में खत्म कर सकते हो. And if you are planning to get this micro mini lipsticks, then let me tell you, these lipsticks look like this. So finding a shade is a task. And second thing, guys, the packaging isn't good. It's very flimsy. I really like the packaging of the full size and the half size lipstick. मैं screen पे उसका picture insert कर दूंगी. I really like the packaging, but when it comes to these micro minis, the packaging is very flimsy. मेरे बहुत सारे लिपस्टिक के ये ढक्कन है ना, ढक्कन पे क्रैक आया है. And also bullet बाहर है, तो whenever I try to close it, I end up hitting the bullet. So Micro Mini मेरे लिए ठीक था because I wanted to swatch all the 16 shades for you guys. Micro Mini का उन्होंने concept क्यों रखा? If you are someone who is interested in buying this but you are not sure whether you should be investing in a full size lipstick or not, तो आप Micro Mini लेके try कर सकते हो, and if you found it and if you liked it, so you can go ahead and purchase the full size lipstick. That is the concept behind this entire Micro Mini lipsticks, but I would suggest you guys to go for full size or half size. Full size तभी लेना when you know that you are going to finish it up in 6 months. Otherwise, if you are someone who has a lot of lipsticks, you can go for half size and try to use it as much as possible so that आप 6 महीने में उसको खत्म कर सको. Now let's conclude with pros and cons whether you should be investing in these lipsticks or not. The first pro, it is Ayurvedic. It is free from any chemical, any harsh chemical. So that is the biggest pro of these lipsticks, guys. The second pro is it is made in India. The availability is not at all a problem. You can get it easily from online, but it is available only online. Offline, I don't think so ये मिलता है. अगर मिलता रहेगा तो मैं आपको अपडेट कर दूंगी. These are comfortable on the lips. You can layer them. Layering is not at all a problem. These don't feel crusty. They do not settle into your fine lines. Taking off these lipsticks is not a task. You can take them off very easily. They do not leave in a weird way. They leave evenly. Let's talk about the con of these lipsticks, guys. These are not transfer proof. These are not very long lasting. And the shelf life is just 6 months. Packaging का con मैं यहाँ पे नहीं दे रही हूँ because guys, माइक्रो मिनी का पैकेजिंग में प्रॉब्लम है. फुल साइज लिपस्टिक्स बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पैकेजिंग में आते हैं. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव कॉन फॉर पैकेजिंग. सो इट इज 3 versus 9. सो आई थिंक these lipsticks are really good. I would highly suggest you guys to go ahead and purchase these lipsticks. I'm going to share my favorite shades on the screen now. I'm definitely going to purchase these shades in full size. So if I have to rate them, I'm going to rate them a 10 on 10 because guys, lipstick is the only makeup product that we literally end up eating up. So Ayurvedic lipstick which is free from harsh chemical is always better than the lipstick which has chemicals in it. I know I had to like reapply it, but I don't mind it if it has this many goodness. So I would highly suggest you guys to try out these lipsticks. So yes, with this we come to the end of this video, guys. If you found it helpful or if you enjoyed watching it, do give this video a big thumbs up. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, bye.